Hi, I'm Luca. I'm an international student from Italy, and I'm studying a master in international accounting and finance.
I am Janani Raman. I am studying international accounting and finance.
As a student here at Henley, I found making friends and navigating the social scene quite easy, because here I found a very multicultural and open-minded community. At the same time, outside the university, I met a lot of Italian guys that shared with me the culture, and they were so special, and I appreciate to spend a lot of time also with them because they were from another region, so I discovered a lot of things also about them.
I am really amazed with the international community which I have met here. There are students from various countries and various backgrounds. They provide different perspective of studies and also of life. And it is really interesting to mingle with other master students and exchange knowledge.
Making friends, making connections is the best way to have a support, people with which you can share hobbies, passion. Now I can say that Henley is my second home.
University of Reading is an award-winning green campus situated in the heart of Reading. There are various facilities available for us in the campus, like the library. It has a huge study space. I spend a lot of time there. The ICMA Center, wherein we have a hands-on experience on trading sessions for capital markets. We had various types of assessments like physical presentation, video recording, poster presentation, essay writing. So all these different types of assessments have molded me to face different types of situations, both in personal and academic life. So it has enhanced my practical ability.
After graduation, I secured a place in the finance sector. I have to thank the career service team. They offered me some opportunity to do some one-to-one appointment, in which I discovered some new tools to develop a better CV and cover letter. At the same time, in portfolio management and in the securities investment, I could appreciate the opportunity to use the labs, use Acon, and deal with a portfolio management strategy and doing some trading simulation that helped me too much to understand in a practical way how the stock markets works, and it will be very useful for my future.